Hello, good morning from Thailand. Today's video is going to be about how you can buy a car, a foreigner can buy a car without using a finance company or having a Thai guarantor. This video will deal with a way around the system. It's not for everybody, but it is what I chose to do, so I didn't have any Thai guarantors on my car. It's not a brand new car, it's a second-hand car that I bought, but I bought it in a way that I didn't need a Thai guarantor. At the time when I went to buy a car, yes, I looked at the brand new cars, and every place we went to, Nissan, Toyota, Suzuki, they wanted a Thai guarantor. The payments were very reasonable, very cheap over a number of years. I did have the money to pay straight out for a car, but I didn't want to be able to use all my money and spend the money on a car, because cars are quite expensive over here. So if it was low rate finance, and then that suited me perfectly, because then I just paid it every month, small amount every month. But the problem being, even the second-hand car dealerships that we went to, they wanted a Thai person to sign as guarantor. So the problem with doing that is, if you have a Thai person as a guarantor and you fall out with your Thai partner, any payments that you've made towards the car, they keep. Very rarely would a Thai person who signed as guarantor give you the car back and things like that. Because of disputes and one thing and another, they will keep the car 9 times out of 10. Because why not? It's in their name anyway. So one of the ways to do it, this company that I'm going to give you the links to down below, they offer a rent to buy scheme. So it's a car rental agency in Pattaya, and what they do, you obviously rent cars and rent motorbikes, but if you want to buy a car through them, you rent the car and pay the rental period over 1 year, 2 years, wherever, how long you want to take it for. They will do various installment plans, and all you need to do to be able to buy a car off them is show them your passport and your visa to say that you're living here, so they have some proof as to who you are. Then you pay a deposit. It's up to you how much you pay, and then you spread the costs out over 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3, whoever, how many years that you want to do it with. You just decide that with the guy who deals with all of this lot. But he does the same thing with motorbikes, and he also now does condos, so you can buy a condo without using a Thai guarantor. You just go through his process, and it's as simple as that, really. It's not for everybody. The interest rate is obviously higher than it is in a garage, but bearing in mind the cost that you could lose if you got the car in a Thai person's name and you split up and you had an argument and you walked away or she walked away, potentially you could lose the value of the car. So by doing it this way, it's in your name. It's a simple process. He has about 130 cars in which you can buy, so you go and have a look at the cars, but he rents them cars out also, so they are ex-rental cars. So you find the car that you like, you take it out for a test drive for a week, so you're renting the car off him for a week. So that gives you a good opportunity to drive it around, see if you're happy with it, and that's the car that you want to buy. And if you go through the process of buying that car, that first week rental comes off the price of the car also. So again, you decide how long you want to pay it for, and then once you've paid that last payment, then they do a transfer and that car is yours. Up until that moment, the car belongs to them and it's in their name, but you've got a rental agreement with a right to buy at that final payment. My payment plan took 2 years, and I was happy with the service and the advice that they gave me, and I'd recommend it to anybody. So follow the links down below. The garage is in Pattaya. He does motorbikes and cars and condos now, so go down and see the man. He's a very interesting man to listen to, and best of luck with it. A way of buying a car without using the banks or finance companies. It's a rent to buy car. Good luck with what you want to do. From Les, retired and living the dream in Thailand. Good luck. Bye bye for now.